Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have nitrogen trichloride. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So nitrogen valency is 5, chlorine atom is 3. So if you substitute in the steric number, you have 8 by 2, which equals 4. 4 means sp3 hybridization with tetrahedral geometry. To find the real shape, you should know the lone pair. The lone pair is 4 minus 3 equals 1. So 1 lone pair. So tetrahedral with 1 lone pair. If you draw it, 3 chlorine occupy a corner and lone pair also in the one corner. So geometry is tetrahedral, shape is trigonal pyramidal because lone pair is not visible. So the shape of NCl3 is trigonal pyramidal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.